Hey, welcome back to Danielle's Creative Art. Today I wanted to share with you this journal that I got actually back in October when it first came out, and I've been meaning to share it. It's their new from their winter collection. It's a Snowflake A5, and it may be my planner for next year, or I may use one of the B5s, I'm not sure. But it's still gorgeous. Oh my gosh. It's got glitter on it, it's very shimmery. 160 pages of darker paper, and also 160 GSM. That is so pretty. And my nails kind of match. Trying to get it off. Love that. And then there's gilded silver edges as well. The back. And then it has the cute Chernobyl logo for bookmark. So take a look. Oops. Beautiful. Ultra thick paper. Oops. And you can do watercolor, mixed media, journaling, and I love this so much. And they also have, again, I'm not sure if it's coming back. It's sold out right now. They have one that's got a teacup on it. They have also a red one that's got glitter. This is probably one of my favorite journals. It's so pretty. So definitely be on the lookout if it comes out. I'm an affiliate for Archer and Olive, so I'll put my link in the description box below. And today is their the Black Friday sale ends, so you can't use my code, but if you see this video once the sale is over tomorrow, then you can use my code DanielleFL10 at checkout for 10% off your order, and see you in my next video. Bye.